Wham!
Oh, let go.
We didn't have on the camera, but we do now. It's a good one.
All the air bubbles, you snatched them up so hard.
Oh. Chasing open water fish, guys. They're not on any structure. They're not on any creek channel or anything like that. We're just open water. About 25 foot, using 7-foot bonehead rods, 1/4 ounce jig head, and 3-inch Slimsticks.
Don't keep it or change it. You just catch one on there. Oh, yeah.
Woo! That's fish, guys.
Bam! Yes! Good fish.
Oh, I forgot. Good point.
Nice. Get a picture of that. Excellent.
That's true. That's mine.
Yeah.
that hook too. I'm gonna retie. Well, got a little windy on us and the fish started getting funky. All right, guys, well, it got really windy, it got really cold, the fish got funky, and just they were running from the boat, running from jigs, and then the battery died on the GoPro. So we're back at the camper, we're finally warmed up. Kind of give you a breakdown of what we were doing. We were chasing open water fish, zero structure today, or zero cover I should say. We ended up switching to a double jig rig with a 1/4 ounce or a 16th ounce on top and an 1/8 ounce on the bottom. Kind of slow that fall a little bit. Seemed to really increase our luck by a lot.
Yeah,
so,
for sure.
if the fish let us get close to them, great. You could drop as heavy of a jig you want right on their nose, but most of the time they didn't let us get that close. So anyway, we're gonna grab some lunch, thaw out, and we'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching.
I was trying to